Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a cheese omelet, Western style, with ham, onions, and peppers. So let's get started. Yeah, and for the pepper, we're using some of these. Poblano peppers, mildly hot. They should make it taste good. Okay, we set our burner to medium-low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan and let that heat up. Now we just add our ham, onions, and green peppers in there. Okay, stir them around a little. Cook them up a little. Get them onions a little more tender and soft. Cover them and let that cook for just a little bit until the onions get softer. Okay, let's give them a check. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. We'll just cover them, let that go just another minute, and then we'll get started on making our omelet. All right, they look good. Okay, they're good. That's perfect. Okay, let's cover them up, put them aside. Bring over our pan. And we'll put a little bit of oil in there. And we'll beat up our eggs. And we'll add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, maybe a little garlic. There you go. Tell you what else we're going to use. A little bit of paprika, not much, just a little bit. Okay, let our pan get warm. And we'll put our egg in there and start cooking our omelet. Okay, let's add our egg to the pan. Just like that. Now we'll cover that and let that cook for just maybe 2 minutes. Okay, that's 2 minutes is up just about. And we're gonna go ahead and put our ham and our onions and our peppers in there. And you know me by now, I always make too much, so. But I'm gonna try to get them in there. Okay, there you go. All right, let's get them out near the edge. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Yeah, we'll put our cheese over this side. And maybe a nice strip in the middle over here. And now we'll just cover that and let that melt a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Let's see if we can fold this up. Look at the size of that. Let me spin them around here for you. Look at that. Let's go from this side. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's super thick. Well, since it's a Western style omelet, we might as well just go ahead and put more cheese on top. Everybody likes cheese. And we'll just cover that and let that melt. Okay, let's take a peek at it. And let's see if we can plate that up. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that. Look at the size of that and all that good stuff coming out of there. Okay, that looks good. Here, take a look. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, let's put a little salt on there. Not much. And everybody likes pepper. I love pepper. Put a little pepper on. And let's see if we can cut into that. We'll cut that in half. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get a piece of this and show you it. See how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice that is. You see that? That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, we just got to have a little taste of that. Alright. There you go. A Western style cheese omelet with ham, onions, and mildly hot green peppers. You can't beat that right there. I'm gonna have a little taste. Oh yeah. That's delicious. Yeah, you know what's gonna happen to that right there, don't you? Yep, it's gonna be gone in a couple minutes. Where the heck is my coffee cup at? Bet you it's in the microwave. Nope. It's gone. That sounds normal.